So over here in this particular footage, you can go ahead and add in background music. And what you can also do with the background music is control its volume as needed. So to do that, I'm just going to go around over here onto stock right here. And let me just go around over here onto music and then bring in some music that I have right here. So there's Susie Pop, as you can see. So let's just play this around to see how that sounds. So that is what you have. So let's just go ahead and bring it out over here onto the timeline right here. Let me just drag this out right here, and I can even trim off the edges, as you can see right here, just like this. So now from the beginning, what I can do is press the play button. That is how it sounds. So now let's say the volume is a bit too loud. In that case, you can click on the sound button right here, and here you can see that you can change around the volume of the sound as well. So you can go ahead and then bring this down right here, and if I were to press the play button, it is much more quieter. So you can go ahead and choose the volume as you need. And what you can also do is you can add in a fade in. Let's say, for example, you want the volume to slowly rise in sound until, let's say, 2 seconds. Then you can go ahead and select out the time, or you can simply go ahead and type the exact time and work around with the fade out as well. So let's say, for example, 3 seconds right here. And then you can go ahead and change around the volume as you want as well. So from the beginning, if I were to press the play button, it slowly increases in volume, and at the end, if I were to press the play button, it slowly fades out, as you can hear. So that is how you can go ahead and adjust out the background music and even add in a fade in and fade out as you need inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.